Ladies and gentlemen, what I can tell you is that it's sad. It's very sad.
What up, people? What up, Africa? What up, worldwide? This is brought to you by one of the best YouTube channels, Sylvanus HD. Sylvanus HD talks about celebrities, then they are always up to date. Endeavor to subscribe to Sylvanus HD for your clarity, quality, and HD videos as well.
Hi there again, it's me Sylvanus. So a lot of you guys have been texting me on Instagram, telling me to talk about Davido and Chioma. And some of you guys have been asking me if it's true that Davido is beating his girlfriend Chioma. Well, I went to do my own little research, and in this video you are going to find out. And if you are new here and you haven't subscribed, please click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and also click on the bell icon for notifications. When you click on the bell icon for notification, select the option that shows all so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And don't forget to connect with me on Instagram at MasterBless. I'll really appreciate that. Before we get into the Davido beating Chioma issue, first let's talk about Naira Marley. Executive Jet owner apologizes for flying Naira Marley and Kim Oprah to Abuja. He said he didn't know that it was a bunch of useless people. Sam Iwuajoku, the chairman and CEO of Executive Jet, the flight company that conveyed Naira Marley and the ex-Big Brother Naija housemate Kim Oprah to Abuja for a concert, has apologized after being suspended. According to Sam, in the apology letter he addressed to Hedi Sirika, Minister of Aviation, he thought the jet was to fly the Minister of Works, Fashola Babatunde, who bears same name as Naira Marley. He tagged Naira Marley and the other passengers on board, bunch of useless people. As he also shared a photo of the flight manifest. He wrote, "When I went through the manifest and I saw Fashola Babatunde, I thought it was the Honorable Minister of Works going to Abuja with his men. So we decided to do the flight. Since it was the serving minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, I didn't know that it was a bunch of useless people." He said they are very sorry for the mistake and they promise it will not happen again. Yikes! What do you think about this, guys? Let us know your opinion in the comment section. Still on the update, Bobrisky returns to default setting as he shows up at his father's birthday as a man. Bobrisky switched back to his default settings as he attended the birthday of his father dressed as a full-grown man. The self-acclaimed queen of social media took to his Instagram page to share a video of the procession leading to his father's house in honor of his birthday yesterday, and many wondered if he would appear as a lady in his father's house. Well, your curiosity has not been left unpoked, as a video from the party shows that he is dressed in a corporate attire with a snapback to match. Here is the video clip. Roll it.
Oh yeah.
Bobby Whiskey.
What do you think about this, guys? Let us know your opinion in the comment section. Still on the update, Thatcher reveals that the Big Brother Naija reunion is fake. Former Big Brother Naija Pepper Dem housemate Thatcher has revealed that the controversial reunion of the former housemates is not a live show, as many would think. The reality TV star confirmed this in a tweet made by one of her fans. The fan warned other Thatcher's fans, widely known as Titans, not to get worked up over what they see in the show, as it is pre-recorded. The fan wrote, "I'll remind the Titans that the reunion is pre-recorded. Don't let anything get to you. Thatcher has moved on from whatever was recorded and edited for entertainment purposes. It is a show she chose to attend. Watch and be entertained because you are seeing Thatcher's face." That is it for that. Now to the main story of today. There are reports going around social media that Chioma never tested positive for coronavirus. They said Davido allegedly gave her beatings and tried to hide it. Controversial blogger Stella Dimi Okokokus has made a ludicrous claim about Chioma's virus infection as announced by Davido a few months ago. The love and ovation Davido and Chioma's relationship gathered over the years explain the drama and controversy surrounding them now that things are not as rosy. According to Stella, Chioma never tested positive for the deadly virus, as they made the whole world believe. She alleged that Davido gave Chioma some sound beatings and Chioma developed some bruises as a result. Davido allegedly tried to hide it, and so he had to use the virus pandemic as a cover. In her claim, she wrote, "The insiders who said that Chioma did not have the virus, as earlier made to believe, alleged that the couple had a fight back then and that the story was sold to the public to hide the slaps mark and punch marks." The insider also said that Chioma did wrong by joining him to shame his other baby mamas, not knowing that the king that flogged the first and second one was waiting by the corner to flog her. She didn't behave like a babe from the eastern Nigeria at all, because babe from that part are smart and will make sure you wife them totally to avoid stories that touch. But Chioma got carried away by the love and expensive gifts, although that some looked like audio gifts. Another blogger called Cutie Juice has this to say. She claimed that Davido has been hitting Chioma for a while in their relationship and it didn't stop after Chioma put to bed. Her report reads, "So currently our Chichi is in Lekki whilst our Dave is in Banana Island, even though we never completed payment for our Banana Island house. I am here to confirm to you that this isn't the first time Auntie Chi out of the house. I am here to tell you on authority that early this year, Uncle Dave chased out Mama Ifeanyi out. In fact, Chi has been going through a lot. I concede that gist because the details aren't suiting to the ear at all. Don't ever chase assurance, it comes with a lot of tears. Stubborn David, as at this time, has blanked all avenues that Chioma can reach him direct. Even early this year, I am telling you on authority that David had a serious quarrel with Chi at a popular nightclub in Nigeria, name withheld for now. And on their way back, he gave Auntie the beating of her life. He slept out that night, but guess what? Early the next day, he went to beat Auntie at home again and practically chased her out of their Lekki home where they resided together. I'm tired and sad, but I'll bring you more details tomorrow. For now, pray for Chioma cause from all indications, Babe still wants to go back as usual." Was that the reason why he changed his phone number? What do you think about this, guys? Let us know your opinion in the comment section. Speaking about Davido's brother Adewale 4 months old marriage, Tokani allegedly having serious troubles. According to alleged reports by Instagram blogger Gist Merchant, the couple who had recently held a lavish wedding ceremony in Nigeria and Dubai have been having serious issues which could lead to irreconcilable differences if not properly handled. They wrote, "Either there is something jinxing Baba Olowo's children's relationships or there is something in the water they are drinking. I still don't want to believe what I'm hearing and I wish to regard it as initial strife posed by new marriages. While we are running around trying to save Chivido, looks like there's trouble in Adekani's paradise." The union has been described as being between two toxic people. They are trying to keep everything hush-hush, but the details of the fight are so messy. We are talking Tyson versus Holyfield level. I am hoping this post shames them into retracing their steps and sorting out their issues because I don't want to hear anything happen, not after all the money that was spent and the peppering done for their marriage festival. However, Adewale's wife, Kani, discarded the report barely an hour after it was published. She claimed it was fake and her husband has prepared her for this time. This is what she posted on her Insta story. "My husband tried to prepare me for the lies that these bloggers write for content. #fake news." What do you think about this, guys? Let us know what you think about this in the comment section. Still about Davido, guys. Davido has a secret Instagram account and also have a song for Cubana Chief Priest. Here is the video clip. Roll it.
We don't use the stairs no more. One day living. God is good, bro.
Always, bro.
Come on, we're winning.
Tell them that they don't know my secret Instagram.
Come on, they can't know.
They can't know the fucking Instagram.
Bless God for this moment, bro.
Thank God, thank God.
We're celebrating success. Banana no be volume.
Don't worry, guys. As soon as I discover the new Instagram account, I'm going to update you guys. So make sure you are subscribed with the notifications turned on and also follow me on Instagram with @MasterBlessed. Lastly, on the update, Cynthia Morgan reveals that she can't wait to drop a new track as she returns to the studio set to release a new song. Cynthia Morgan, now known as Madrina, is set to release new songs following her re-emergence into limelight. Cynthia, whose budding music career plummeted over the years due to contract-related issues with former label boss Jude Okoye, has got the luxury of a second chance at claiming her stake in the entertainment industry. Madrina took to her Instagram page on Monday morning to whet the appetite of her fans as they anticipated the release of what she called a fire record. This is what she wrote: "I can't wait to drop records for you all, fire records." We can't wait to hear your new record soon, Cynthia Morgan. That is all for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you enjoyed this video and you appreciate the work we do here, kindly slap a like on this video. And also, please click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. And also click on the bell icon for notifications so that as soon as I upload a new video, you'll be notified. So that as soon as I get the scoop, I'll keep you in the loop. Connect with me on Instagram with @MasterBlessed. DM me and let me know the kind of videos you want to see. I'll really appreciate that. Take care, guys. I'll see you later for another video. Stay safe, stay blessed. and peace.
What up, people? What up, Africa? What up, worldwide? This is brought to you by one of the best YouTube channels, Sylvanus HD. Sylvanus HD talks about celebrities, tells you about what's happening in the world, and they are always up to date. Endeavor to subscribe to Sylvanus HD for your clarity, quality, and HD videos as well. Want to give a shout out to this unbiased brother, the founder of Sylvanus HD, Master Blessed.